In this video, we're going to learn about error handling in JavaScript. Okay, just create a new file called errorhandling.html. Error handling in JavaScript is very important because JavaScript is a loosely typed language. Everything can happen here. To deal with it, we need to learn about how to handle when error happens. In JavaScript, the error can be handled using try catch and finally syntax. So the syntax is look like this: try, catch, and then finally. How it work? It work like this. So first it will try to execute the code inside this block. If the code error, it will go to the catch block. Okay, and whatever happened above, is it successful or it will throw an error, it will always call the code inside this finally block. So for example, maybe we can try to like the value variable here. So if value is more than 3, so we can also throw an error here and try to throw error like this. Okay. Okay, we will try this code. First, we need to print the error. Okay, we can try to run this code on the file in Chrome on the console. Okay, you can say that first it will check the value. If the value is more than 3, in this case it's 5, so it will throw this error: value cannot more than 3. And then it will execute this line of code inside the catch block. There's an error. You can see that there is no red error here. It's only just we print this error like this, and then this code inside the finally block will always be executed. So we can change the value to 2, and then there will be no error. So this code will be executed. If the value is more than 3, we are throwing an error here. That's easy, right? So that's how we handle error in JavaScript. In the real case, when we try to fetch some data, we can do some error handling here, displaying some UI to inform the user that the data fetching is failed or something like that. And then in this finally block, maybe we can dismiss the loading or something like that. So this is very useful. Okay, that's enough for these error handling topics. So let's go to the next video.